We are going to learn coordinate geometry today. So what do you understand by geometry? It deals with graphs, right? Geometry, we deal with graphs. There is a point A, there is a point B, okay, there are points C and point D. If you join these all 4 points, what will you get? You will get a triangle, a parallelogram, a trapezium, or some shapes you will get if you join the points together, right? So it's all
Yes.
it. The graph had axis. It has x-axis and y-axis. Okay. A is x comma y. These are the coordinates. X comma y are known as coordinates. Okay. X comma y are coordinates. So now, if there is a point A and a point B, okay, and we are talking about 2D. What is 2D? Two dimension. There is one x-axis and there is one y-axis. Okay, this is two dimension, right? This is two dimensional x-axis and then what is 3D? There are three dimensions x, y, and z. Now I can't draw z on this paper because x that will be like this on this paper. So it is like this. Will be your x-axis. This will be your y-axis, and this will be your z-axis. Got it? These all are mutually perpendicular to each other. What do you mean by perpendicular? They all make 90-degree with each other, right? These all three make 90-degree with each other, right? This is 90 to this is making 90 to this, and this is making 90 to this. Okay, so they all are mutually perpendicular. Okay, if there is a point x comma y, this will be x and this will be y, the distance of x and the distance of y. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, if there is a point A that is x1 comma y1, is there a point B x2 comma y2? The 2 points. Now tell me what is the distance between these 2 points? To find out the distance between these 2 points, we have a formula. This formula is known as distance formula. What is the name of this formula? Distance formula. The distance between A and B. So AB is equal to root of, you have learned squares and square root in your previous classes, have you? You have learned squares and square root. What is root 4? Root 4 is nothing but root 2 square. Just 2 and square, root the square and root cancel, and that the answer will be 2. Right? So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between 2 points. Understood? Are you following us?
Yes, sir.
If you need to find, so on your graph paper, you will have 2 points. Okay, if there is this graph, okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2. You want to find the distance between these two, then you have to apply this formula. Okay. So now we will do one example question. Okay, if A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 2 comma 4. So this is x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. You have to find distance between A and B. So how are we going to find it? We know that it is given to us. What is given to us? A is 1 comma 2. That is nothing but x1 comma y1. B is x2 comma y2. That is 2 comma 4. x2 comma y2. Isn't it? Understood? Are you following? Now apply the formula. AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So if you substitute, what will you get? What is your x2? x2 is nothing but 2. So 2 minus what is x1? x1 is nothing but 1. 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 2. 4 minus 2 whole square. That will be nothing but, what is 2 minus 1, Anas? What is 2 minus 1?
1.
1. So 1 square plus 4 minus 2 is
2.
2. So 2 square. 1 square will be
1.
2 square is
4.
4 plus 1 will be
5.
root 5 units. You have to mention units in the end. They haven't given you in centimeter or meters. So you have to write units. Understood this question? So what is the formula again? AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now second question. A is equal to 1 comma 5. B is equal to 3 comma 9. Find AB. By AB means distance between A and B. Now how can we find it? Which formula should we use to find it? We have to use distance formula, right? So apply the distance formula. AB will be equal to, what is x1? Anas.
Sir.
X1 is, what is x1? This is x1, this is y1. This is x2, this is y2. So what is x1?
1.
1. So x1 is 1. What is y1?
3.
y1 is 5. x1 comma y1. Then x2 comma y2. So what is x1 again?
1.
x1 is 1. y1 is
5.
5. x2 is
3.
3. And y2 is
9.
9. So now apply the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just write till here. Start substituting. x2 is nothing but 3. X minus y, x1 is nothing but 1. So 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 9 and y1 is 5. So y2 minus y1, that is 9 minus 5 whole square. Okay. So 3 minus 1 will be 2 square. 9 minus 5 will be 4 square. 2 square is 4. 4 square is 16. So root 20. Okay, root 20 units. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. A is equal to 3 comma 2. B is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. We have to find A and B. AB. The distance between AB you have to find. Okay. Find the distance between AB. So what is x1 over here? X1 is 3 and y1 is 2.
2.
X1, x2 is minus 1 and x1 is also minus 1. Now substitute. AB will be equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is x2? X2 is nothing but minus 1. What is y2? But x2 is nothing but minus 1. X1 is nothing but 3. So minus of 3 will be minus 3. Okay. Plus. What is y2? Y2 is nothing but minus 1. And y1 is nothing but 2.
2.
So minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 1 and minus 3 will be minus 4. Because both of them are negative. If I take 1 rupee from you, then again I take 5 rupees from you, what will be the total amount? I have taken from you. Anas,
Yes, sir.
if I take 1 rupee from you, then again I take 3 rupees from you. So what will be the total amount I have to pay you back?
4.
4. So I can't write it as 2, right? I have taken 1 rupee before. Now it's 3. So just subtract it and I have to give 2 rupees back to you. I can't do like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the negative sign shows that I have to give you. Okay. So that's why I'm putting the negative sign. And how much I have to give you? I have to give you back 4 rupees.
4.
Got it? Now
Yes,
I
sir.
have taken 1 rupee from you. I have taken 2 rupees from you. Now how much I have to return back to you? 3 or minus 3?
Minus 3.
Negative sign shows that I have to give it. It's a debt. Okay. It's a loan, right?
Yes, sir.
Now minus, if you square this minus sign will become plus, because minus into minus is plus.
Plus.
Okay, you know that. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus.
Plus.
So minus 4 into minus 4 will become 4 4 the 16. Minus into minus plus. So this
Plus.
is 16 plus. Minus 3 into minus 3. That will be minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9. So 9. Understood till here? Now 16 plus 9 will be nothing but, what is 16 plus 9?
25.
25. What is root 25?
5. Root
5.
5.
Very good. Root 5. No, see. 25 is nothing but, find the LCM. 5 5 is a 25, 5 1 is a 5. So you can write it as root of 5 square. This square and this root gets cancelled and the answer will be 5 units. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now try to solve this question by yourself. A is equal to 1 comma 2. B is equal to 3 comma 4. You have to find A, B, the distance between A and B.